Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I actually want to make a video. I'm making this video to show you how you can set up the TDI indicator on your phone. Okay, the traders dynamic index indicator. Now this is an indicator that is very wonderful. Okay, using this indicator, I promise you are going to be profitable in forex trading. Okay, now this is an indicator that institutional forex traders, okay, a whole lot of professionals, they use this particular indicator rather, but all you just need to understand is how to set it up properly, and also the strategy I'm going to show you on how to use this particular indicator. That's the reason why I want you to stay to the end of this particular video, so that you get to understand the strategy on how to use this particular indicator. Now, I just opened a new Forex account with a new broker. I think that was 2 days ago, and I just used this particular indicator I'm talking about, this TDI. You see, I just deposited about $50 and I just traded and I have made $15. Okay, now this is not my primary account, it's just my my secondary account, okay, that I actually run forex on proper. But this one I just set it up with this particular trader broker. I think that was 2 days ago. So I just showed you that to show you that the indicator is very profitable. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Let me take you to the indicator, how to set up the TDI indicator, and also the strategy on how to use the indicator to trade forex and be profitable. Okay, now what we'll do is this. We click on this F button. Remember, we are about to set up the indicator, so I will want you to pay full attention, okay, to how to set up this TDI indicator. You click on this F button here. Okay, so what I'll do is this. I will have to delete the indicator out of my my phone, so that we'll start it afresh altogether. Okay, let me just delete it. Okay, so now that we are here, what we'll do is this. You click on this F button up here. Okay, when you click on this F button here, we are going to look for the RSI. Okay, we are going to look for a particular indicator that is called RSI. Where's RSI? Okay, now here, this RSI, relative strength index. We are going to click on relative strength index. Now, to set up this relative strength index, we are going to look for the period. Now, this is the period of this relative strength index. We'll be using 13. We'll be using period 13. Okay, we'll be using period 13. Now we'll come to apply to use close. Okay, this type, please use just 1 pixel. Okay, you can decide to use 2 pixels, but 1 pixel is okay. The level, now this is the level. You click on this level. Let me delete here so that I'll do it afresh, so that you get to understand it. Okay, let me delete this completely. Now the level, when you come to this level, you click on this plus sign up here. Then it will bring you to this particular interface. Then the level, we are going to use level 30 and 70. So we are going to put level 30. We click on the plus sign again to give us another level. Then we're going to use level 70. Okay, then this style, we are going to leave it on 2 pixels. Then the color here, we are going to use color black, or you can use gray, but please don't use any of all those flashy color blue or any of that. Just use color black. Okay, so after putting it this way, we just click on back. Then you see that the indicator has been set up. You can see the RSI. You can see the RSI is set up here already. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is to put a moving average. Click on this F sign up here now. Then when you bring it to this interface, please don't click on the main chart. Just come down here and click on the indicator window 1. Then just click on this F sign here. Then you look for the moving average. Now this is the moving average. You click on moving average. We are going to put moving average 2. Okay, as you can see, the period here is 2. Okay, the shift, you click on this shift, let it be 0. The method, please let the method be simple. Then you click on this apply to. When you click on this apply to, you're going to see different options here. You see close, open, high, and all sorts, okay? But please choose previous indicator window. You can see it here, previous indicator window, okay? Then previous indicator window. Then you come to the style, okay? The style, please choose pixel. You can choose, let's choose pixel 3. Then the color here, we're going to choose color green. Please choose color green here, okay? The level, please don't put anything on the level, just ignore that. Then you come up here and you click on done, okay? When you click on done, you can see the moving average 2 is already on the RSI. You can see it here. This is the moving average 2. Then we go up again. We're going to put another moving average inside this RSI, which is moving average 7. You click on this F sign now again. Then under this indicator window 1, click on this plus sign here again, please. Then you look for moving average. Remember, moving average. We click on this moving average. Remember I told you that the next moving average we'll be using is moving average 7. So we are going to click on this period here. Click on it and change this to 7. Okay, the shift, let it be 0. The method, let it be simple. Okay, you can see when you click on this method, you see simple, exponential, smoothed, and linear weight, but please choose simple. Okay, then the apply to. When you click on the apply to, you're going to see different options too here, but please choose previous indicator data. Please remember that so that you don't choose any other thing aside what I just said here. Previous indicator data, you click on it. Okay, then the style, we are going to choose the pixel. We're going to choose 3. Then the color, remember the color, we are going to choose red. We're going to choose color red here. Okay, then when we choose color red, you come down to the level. Please ignore the level, let it be like this. Okay, so you can see the period is 7, the shift is 0, the method is simple, the apply to is previous indicator data. Okay, then the style is pixel 3 and the color is red. Then we'll come up here and we'll click on done. Okay, you see when you click on that, you can see that the red one, which is the moving average 7, is already also inside the RSI here. Then we go up again, and what we want to put now is called the Bollinger Band. Okay, that is what we want to put into the RSI now. Okay, and the Bollinger Band we want to put here is going to be 34. So let's click on the F sign, this F sign up here again. Then we come under this indicator window 1 and we click on this F sign here. Now we are going to look for the Bollinger Band. Okay, under the trend you can see this is Bollinger Band. You can see this is Bollinger Band. We click on the Bollinger Band. Okay, let the period, just click on it, let the period be 34. Okay, then the deviation, let it be 1.618. okay, 1.618. The shift, let it be 0. The apply to this, the previous one we did, the moving average 7 and 2, the apply to was previous indicator data, but this one, let it be first indicators data. Okay, apply to first indicator data. The style, we are going to choose 3 pixel again. Then the color, we are going to choose blue. Okay, please choose blue. Okay, the level, please ignore it, let it be like this. Okay, let's run through it again. You can see the period is 34, the deviation is 1.618, the shift is 0. Apply to first indicators data. Okay, the style is 3 pixel and the color is blue. Then you come up here, then you click on done. Okay, so you can see now this is the Bollinger Band. This 3 line, this 3 blue line is the Bollinger Band. Okay, we're almost done, so please just hold on. Now the last indicator we are going to put into the RSI indicator is called the moving average 34. Okay, it's called the moving average 34. So let's click on this F sign now. Then we under this indicator window 1, we'll click on this F sign here again. Then we'll look for the moving average. This is the moving average. Now we click on this moving average again. Now remember I said the next moving average is going to be moving average 34. Sorry about that, please. And you see the period, we are going to change this 7 to 34. We're going to put 34 here. The shift is going to be 0. The method is going to be simple. Apply to, this one is not going to be previous indicators data. We are going to change this one to first indicator data. Okay, so we're going to click on first indicator data. Okay, then the style we are going to change. Okay, the style we are going to say pixel, let it be pixel 3, but the color we are going to change it to color yellow. Okay, remember that, color yellow. We are going to change it to color yellow. Then the level, we are going to leave the level like this. We're going to ignore it. Let's run through it again. For the third moving average, the period is 34. The shift is 0. The method is simple. Apply to first indicator data. Okay, style is pixel 3 and the color is yellow. Then we'll come up here and we'll click on done. Okay, now when you click on done, you can see the TDI indicator is fully set up on your phone. Okay, now this particular method, you can use it on your Android phone or on your Apple phone, your iPhone. Okay, it will work well. Okay, now this indicator, I want you to pay attention to the strategy I use with this indicator, and most of the time, let me say 90% of the time, I'm always profitable. Okay, now you know, in the time we have different time, okay, to trade. We have the 1 minute time, we have the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 30 minutes, the 1 hour, the 4 hours, the day, the weekly, and the month. Now for this particular indicator, okay, and the strategy I use for me to be profitable, I always use the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I tell you this, I've tried the 15 minutes time frame, I've tried the 1 hour time frame, I tried the 4-hour time frame, and I discovered that the 4-hour time frame is almost accurate all the time when you trade with this particular indicator, the TDI indicator. Okay, so now let me show you exactly how I use this indicator. Okay, now what I do is this. You see, when this green one, this particular green one, and this red one, okay, I pay very much attention to them. Okay, when this green line, this particular, please look at my finger. When this particular green line crosses this 30 RSI down, invariably it tells you that the market is oversold. Okay, it tells you that the market is oversold. And as you can see this red one is also down here with the green one. So what you will do is this: provided this green one is below the red one, don't enter until this particular green line, as soon as is below this 30, this RSI 30 black line, and the green line crosses this red one. You can see this red RSI 7. As soon as this green line crosses this particular red line, which is the RSI moving average 7, upward, as soon as it crosses it here, up, I buy. And as you can see here, you can see the market start buying automatically. Okay, so that is the strategy. Now what we'll do is this: when the market, you can see this yellow line, which is the moving average 34, it shows you the direction of the market. When this yellow line faces downward, like you can see from here, please follow my finger. When you can see from here, the yellow line started looking downward from here, from this particular place here. That is an indication to tell you that the market is about to sell. okay? And if you come up here, if you come up, just trace it from here that I showed you up here, you see that the market started making shifts towards the downward area, okay? And that is the sell, okay? Now what I'm telling you here is pay attention, okay? Majorly your attention mostly should be on this TDI indicator down here. If this line, if this green line is below this 30 RSI line and it crosses this red line, this moving average 7, this green moving average is moving average 2. If it's below this RSI level 30 here, it means that the market is oversold on the 4-hour time frame. Remember what I'm showing here is on the 4-hour time frame. Look at it, it's on the 4-hour time frame, okay? Okay, let me just even show you something. I actually closed the market because I was doing something else, so I closed the market, but it was still in profit. You can see, as you can see, I was in the market and I took this profit, $5, okay? By following this particular strategy I'm showing you here, okay? Just make sure you're on the 4-hour time frame and the green moving average, which is moving average 2, is below this 30 RSI line. Don't enter the market immediately, wait for it. As soon as it crosses the red moving average, which is the 7 moving average, take your buy, okay? And you'll see that automatically you will be in profit. And the same thing is applicable to the top here. Let me go back and show you something. You can see here now, let me show you here. You can see the RSI 70 line here. You can see the moving average 2 up here. You can see as soon as it crosses this RSI level 70 up here, it tells you that the market is overbought. The market is overbought on the 4-hour time frame. You can see the green moving average, which is the 2 moving average. It went up here. Then you hold on, exercise patience. Don't enter the market as soon as it crosses the 70 RSI line. Hold on. As soon as it starts coming down and it crosses the red moving average 7, then you take your sell. You can see what happened. It starts coming down and you make your profit. Even you don't have to wait until it gets to this place. You can even take your profit here and you discover that there's a huge profit. Remember, this is 4-hour. If you can buy the market from here, look at my finger please. If you can buy the market from here down to this place, you've made a whole lot of profit on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so that is how to use the TDI indicator. That is how to set up the TDI indicator and how to use it and be profitable with it. Okay, now I want you to take out your time. Okay, just take your time and study what I have told you about this particular indicator, and you discover that the indicator is actually a wonderful indicator. Okay, it's a very profitable indicator, and I promise you, if you don't just do it the first time and believe that you're going to understand it all. Use it first on your demo account. Just try it on your demo account. But this particular one I'm showing you is not a demo account. Like I already told you, it's a new account that I just registered. Okay, let me show you. It's not, you can see, it's not a demo account. Okay, this is a real account. This one is not a demo account. Okay, it's not a demo account. So, but for you, if you are starting out, you can try it on your demo account. Just try it on your demo account and see how the indicator actually works. You see the wonders of this indicator. By the time you get to understand it more, you can now start using it on your real account. Okay, now I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch how to set up this TDI indicator, okay, and how to use this particular strategy to be profitable trading Forex with this particular indicator. Now, if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for sticking with my channel and for watching this video. I want to appreciate you. I want you to like this video so that others will get to see it. And if you are very new on my channel, I want to say thank you and welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, okay? I really appreciate that. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also remember to click on that notification button, bell, okay? So that when next I post another valuable video, you get to see it, okay? I really appreciate you for taking your time. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye-bye.